you. News that informs.
News that matter.
News that empowers.
This is DYCB Radio Central Visayas, 732 kilohertz on your radio dial. DYCB Radio Central Visayas.
Broadcasting live from the News Center, DYCB.
Good afternoon, Philippines.
Good afternoon, Cebu.
Today is Tuesday, December 17, 2024.
This is Ronaldo Lasaka.
This is Kathleen Ganahan, serving you the hottest and most relevant news of the hour.
For the headlines.
For the local news, Mount Kanlaon eruption displaces thousands.
For the national news, DepEd to release 20,000 pesos for SMI conducted employees.
For showbiz, luxury car awaits Miss Cebu 2025.
For sports, sumabong battles for WBO Youth title.
For the local news, Mount Kanlaon displaces thousands, families spend holidays in evacuation centers. Here is Maria Gentania for the story.
Over 5,200 individuals in Canlaon City remain in evacuation centers and forced to spend holidays there due to Mount Canlaon's Alert Level 3 status, prohibiting return to areas within the 6-kilometer danger zone. The government authorities ask understanding and consideration of such decision, all for the safety of their residents. This has been Maria Chuncania reporting.
For the national news, DepEd to release 20,000 pesos SRI in time for Christmas. There is Grace Angeline Manuel for the update. Grace.
DepEd announced the release of 20,000 service recognition incentive for SRI for its employees starting December 20 as approved by President Marcos Jr. DepEd Secretary Angara expressed gratitude for the support and recognizing the hard work and dedication of educators nationwide. This has been Grace Angeline Manula. Back to you.
For showbiz, luxury car awaits Miss Cebu 2025. The details when we return after this break.
Mama, it's raining outside. I want to play with Kate.
Dear, you should know it is dangerous playing outside when it rains.
What? Why, Mama?
You'll get infected with bacteria from leptospirosis. You'll get ill, and the worst, you might be hospitalized.
Really, Mama? Thank you, Mama, for the care.
This portion is brought to you by the Department of Health and this station.
We are back. You're still tuning in to DYCB Central Visayas for showbiz. Luxury car awaits Miss Cebu 2025. Danica, what's the news?
The next Miss Cebu title holder will drive home a brand new luxury car as part of her prize. This exciting partnership between the Cebu City Tourism Office, CCTO, and a top automotive brand will be formalized on Monday, December 16 at a cafe in SM Seaside, Cebu. Miss Cebu 2025 Project Chair and CCTO Commissioner Philip Rodriguez thanked the car company for their generous support, adding more prestige to the pageant. This is Danica Lamban reporting.
For sports, sumabong battles for WBO Youth title. Here is Glenn Giraldes for the action.
John Gavin Jimenez of Cebu City and Joseph Sumaba of Tagbilaran City's Bohol will face off for the WBO Youth Minimum Wage Championship on December 17 at the Natural Activity Center in Nagas City, Cebu. Both boxers initially missed the 100-pound weight limit at the weigh-in, but were able to reach it within the 2-hour grace period. The 10-round bout is a collaboration between Chao City Boxing Promotions and the local government unit of Naga City.